guys, I'm here with a slime video, cause recently I had a party at school, a Christmas party, and my friend gave me a slime kit. So, slime video, and I'll be giving you techniques about slime, if you must. Okay, so I usually start with a poke. It's funny. And if I get at least 50 subscribers, since this is my first YouTube channel and I started it just then, if I at least get 50 subscribers and likes, then I will do a slime giveaway, a gift card giveaway, and a money giveaway. So, like I said, and leave comments what kind of slime you would like. And I will be able to give slime a gift card and some money. Okay. So, my slime stretches very well. See? Then, the lines in a slime bun are so satisfying. I love them really much. And I could do a slime bun, and I could do a slime bowl, which is really easy. See, here's my slime bun. Look at it, so pretty. Okay, you want to see me do a slime bowl now? I might have to lift the camera for this. So you pat it, scratch it a little bit like this, and then you just poke it down, pat the rest of it again, scratch. Okay, now you sorry for that. You scratch till it get like this. It might fail, or again, it might work. So, oh, I made one! Look at that! I made it! Look, now I'm gonna make a one on top of it. See, it's cool. And check out my friend Lucas' channel. It's called Charlotte Williams. Check out his channel. He has slime video. And check out my other friend Jamaria's channel. I forgot her channel name, but check it out. And then I will do a giveaway too. Leave some comments, subscribe, and like. Bye.